That's why we're investing in digital tools. So later on, we will also launch yung PHX Source. It's an exporter directory. So later, they will also have a presentation on that. But basically, we want to reduce the time and cost of finding suppliers. Kasi, yun nga, when buyers come our way, so actually lahat ng mga request for opportunity referrals, it funnels down to our office. So, napapasa sa embassy or sa post, and lahat yun babagsak sa amin. And if manual yung process ng paghahanap ng supplier, sort of mapapanis yung lead. So, we want to talagang speed up the process of finding the right suppliers. And of course, if there is digital presence for our MSMEs, and you see that this, for example, platform is something supported by the government, it builds trust, diba? For a smaller or a small company trying to make it out in the exporting community.